Hello, everyone. Hello again, everyone. It's Tuesday. You know what that means. Yeah, it's now time to review Wow Mane episode 6. I think this is the last one. Last one. Kasi when I'm checking the Vivamax website, the BMX website, uh, it's pretty weird. I know this series is supposed to go to June. Then it got shortened to May, tama. And then, nakita ko hanggang episode 6 na lang. So, did they cancel this show? I think they canceled the show. Bakit na lang bakit hanggang episode 6 na lang kung hindi nila i-cancel, di ba? So, furthermore, yeah, I think this is the end of Wow Mane, I think. And it's only fitting since this is what I thought it is, na tapos na yung series, bigyan na natin ng fitting rating siya. But before that, if you want more of your bold reviews, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. We are almost near to 11,000 subscribers, so keep those subscriptions coming. It will be much appreciated. As long as while I am farming here on Zenless Zone Zero, let's talk about Wow Mane episode 6. So they did a different approach this time. Uh they made several jokes. So instead of the two joke, one segment and then two segments, they overload this episode with a joke, which better hint na itong siguro yung last episode nila. So unfortunately, I can't recall any of the jokes that were given. That's how forgettable the jokes were. And this has been an outstanding issue dito sa Wow Mane. Matagal na siyang ganito na they didn't really do something special. They have the idea, it's just the execution was pretty much flawed. Okay? So, I don't think there's a joke that's stuck on my mind. Maliban na lang dun sa part ni Aaron Carmelo sa kanila ni Esteban. Bakit daw niya i-hire si Dennis Esteban? Hindi mo daw magaling mag-alaga ng baby, pero magaling daw mag-alaga ng tatay ng baby, which is si Aaron Carmelo. And yeah, we're promoting cheating. yun yung masasabi ko. It's a thing. Okay? It's a long outstanding issue dito sa Wow Mane. Then we got Angeline Ariel. She came back. And ang riddle niya for this week is kung ang gumagapang sa aso ay garapata at sa tao ay kuto, ano man ang gumagapang sa kabayo. So, and may mga sumasagot naman, medyo tama kasi hayop rin naman yun. So, garapata o kuto lang rin naman yung gagapang sa kabayo. Pero ang tamang sagot ay plancha, which is may nakasagot naman ng tama. And congratulations sa kanya, nasagot niya ng tama. Ako, hindi ko rin maisip na kabayo. O nga, kabayo kasi tawag yun sa iron ring dito sa Pilipinas eh. So, any international na nanonood, yeah. So, after this one, we went straight into Battle of the Prowess. I think yung first question dito is ano yung letter P na katawan na tumitibok. So, masagot nila paa, pusod, pulso. Kasi sabi ni Jano Gibbs, tumitibok daw. So, pulso. Pero, ayun, we all know the correct answer is puso. May sumagot nga puson. Okay? Puson. Malapit na sana. Pero daw ang tamang sagot according to Jano Gibbs is wet. And of course, yung dating gawi, pag mali yung sagot, pa rin yung bra. And then, yun, we get to the a skit na parang mga nanay na nasa spa. It's the spa skit. So, anything goes sa mangyayari dito. So, ang tanong naman dito is let's see this ano pambansang si Manny Pacquiao, which is dito parang tinitis nila malapit na eh. So masagot Pambansang atleta? No. Pambansang politiko? No. Pambansang singer? Ayan. And Jano gave the clue na yung sa kamay. So, pambansang kamay. Hindi. Pambansang upo. Kasi sinarado ni si Jano Gibbs yung for kamao. Pero, yeah. Mali pa rin yung sagot. And the correct answer, according to Jano Gibbs, is pambansang bulugo. And now we go to the final round. And I think the final round was something. Tinanong ni Jano Gibbs, sino tong BMX star na sikat and Blanc Raval. Which is weird kasi matagal nang wala si AJ sa Max. Okay? Matagal na siyang wala. And I think with the thing is namimiss na ata lang, diba? Si AJ, kaya hindi na natin. Pero yes, ang mga sagot nila dito is, I think it's just different variations of AJ's that's name. So, Jeric Raval, Mr.
Victory.
Mr. Miss Jeric Raval, Little Miss Jeric Raval, Little Miss Jeric Raval Jr. And obviously, ang sagot dito is AJ Raval. Pero ang sagot ata dito, sabi ni Jano Gibbs, sagot dito is Rodel Raval. Well, way to go to this one of your top draws. Even though AJ is done, I think, sa Viva Max. She's actually a draw. Number 1 she's a BMX Crush, di ba? So, I don't know why the shade given to AJ. Pero, yun. Overall, if this is the final episode of Wow Money, then being sponsored by Playtime doesn't help its case. Okay? So, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Man, alam naman natin anong hirang ko sa kanya, diba? And, yeah, for this Wow Money, I am giving it pretty much what we all expect. 6 times siyang nabawasan, 6 times siyang nagkamali. I'm going to give this Viva Max Series, BMX Series, -5 stars. Yeah, -5 stars. Well, way to go for ruining a brilliant moment. Yeah, I would like to give Money some second chance, pero patapos na kasi. Okay, hindi ko man, I can't wait when something, diba? Ang sabi naman dito dati, Wow Money, aabot hanggang June eh. Pero mukhang kinancel eh. Yun talaga. It is what it is, diba? It is what it is. And yeah. So Friday, we're going to review Elevator Lady. I think this is the last of the backlogs na kailangan ko i-review. So thank God for that. It's been very daming ganap eh. I'm proud. So road to 11,000 na tayo. Yeah. Thank you everyone for all watching my reviews. This is your boy, God Game Yourself Ariet. Wow Money, -5 stars.